Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. You're going to need a container. Glass is preferred because it's easy to clean. Distilled white vinegar and dish soap. I prefer to use Meyer's Clean Day. You can use whatever dish soap you want, but I try to stick with stuff that's not toxic. Maybe a little washcloth or a towel that you don't really care about, and some dirty makeup brushes. So the first thing we're going to do is just eyeball it and put a little bit of vinegar. Looks like it could be about 2 tablespoons worth. Now if you want to measure it, go right ahead. I'm just too lazy. Add equal amounts of dish soap. I swirl it around a little bit, and contrary to popular belief, you can use hot water. Most of the brushes that they make today are made with synthetic fibers instead of animal fibers, so hot water isn't really going to harm them so much. Add about an equal amount of water. It's going to kind of look like this. Then dump your brushes in, of course face down, and you want to make sure that they're not completely immersed because you don't want the glue that's in the ferrule to disintegrate. That can happen. If you feel like you need some extra water, sometimes I feel like I need an extra, then go ahead. And I let that sit for 20 minutes. Now the 20 minutes has passed, we're going to rinse the brushes. It doesn't have to be really hot. You can use tepid water. I like to rinse about 5 times. If you wear makeup every single day, my advice would be to wash your brushes at least once a week. But if you wear your makeup occasionally, once a month should be fine. I, on the other hand, wash my brushes after 3 or 4 times of wearing makeup. I have very sensitive skin and I'm prone to breakouts, so I try to keep my brushes as clean as possible. I lay them on a washcloth, or you can use a hand towel. Don't ever rinse your brushes with the bristles facing upwards. You always want to point them down. You don't want to mess up the fibers. You want to keep them straight down. If you still see residue coming out, that means they're not completely rinsed. And you want to keep rinsing until it's totally clear. Some bristles are more densely packed, so it may take a little more effort to clean them. Kind of how you rinse your dishes. You don't leave soap on your dishes when you rinse them. Same thing with your brushes. Ew. Gross. Last but not least, I usually end up putting this in the dishwasher. I rinse it a little bit and then stick it in the dishwasher, so it's nice and clean for the next time. And then I let these dry overnight. I will show you what to do after that. Alright guys, so we are in day 2 of my brush cleaning. I give them all a little brush with clean hands to verify that they're dry. I have isopropyl alcohol. Don't mind the ugly sticker. This is 70% isopropyl alcohol. I always have some in a spray bottle, and then I just spray with the rubbing alcohol. It helps prevent any bacteria from forming. You can never be too clean. And now they're all done. They're all clean. These are ready to go back into my brush holder. All clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my next video comes up. Thanks for watching. Bye.